Good morning, everyone. It's a nice and hot sunny day here in early summer here in Canada, and I'm staying at my brother's house, and he just turned on his air conditioner. A couple of things I noticed right away. It wasn't working all that well, so I thought I would take a few moments to show you guys how to make sure that your window air conditioner is working in top performance for the summer. Make sure that you're not wasting a lot of electricity, about overheating your air conditioner, stuff like that. So the first thing I noticed is somebody put a hole in it. A lot of people notice that their air conditioner fills up with water and starts splashing water everywhere. It's supposed to do that. It's designed that way. It's actually patented. If you look it up, it's called this kind of slinger effect. But what happens is the water from the air on the inside gets condensed in there on the cold side and then drips in and runs to the back here. Now, some people will drill a hole and then let it all run out like that. That's actually causing you to waste almost 30% of your electricity. What it's designed to do instead is have it hit this fan on the back and then splash all over top of this radiator right here, which then causes an evaporative cooling effect, which cools down the hot side here, making it ready to go back inside and cool down your inside again. So this actually saves a lot of electricity when you don't let the water drip out and run everywhere. It's not supposed to fill up. If it is overfilling or leaking into your house, you don't have the angle set correctly. It's tilted too far forward most likely. And you need to make sure that you have it angled back so that there's a little bit of a slope so that the water runs back instead of running in. Now, the other thing that I noticed, this side is all nice and clean, and there's no dirt on it or anything, but come look at the filter inside. Oh no. Yeah, that is nasty. Then, you gotta clean your air filter. More than once a year. More than once every 2 years. This doesn't look like it's been cleaned in several years. Oh, that is so nasty. Ban. Now, you could likely put this in a dishwasher and it'd be fine. I don't have a dishwasher to test it, but what I am going to do is blow some compressed air through this, and that will help things out quite a bit. Filter back in. There we go. Now we got the filter back in and we put some tape over top of that little hole. That's two simple ways that you can make sure that your window air conditioner is working at top efficiency and you're not wasting a whole lot of electricity for nothing. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like if you like this and leave a comment if you have any questions, and have a great day. Thanks for watching.